Hey guys, check it out, the Bt50 2021 roller shutters through Osbest Steels and Cobra 4x4. If you guys come have a look at how this thing fits, nice and perfect. It's got a nice finish. All you got to do is press the remote to open, and there you have it. Have a look at this, it's a perfect fit. It's got 3 brackets on each side. It's got the LED lights. It's made from aluminium construction. Press a button, close it up. Now, this is the electric roller shutter. This is our standard version, but honestly, this does everything you need it to do. So this is our electric roller shutters through Cobra 4x4. We've got these for almost every single dual cab on the market. So go on www.osbeststeels.com.au and check them out today. Thanks guys.